Hi YouTubers, I am going to do in this video how to import files from Design Center. Before go to video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Infinity Engineering Designers. You can see there are 4 types of bolt types. Do not waste you time to draw this. It is already drew in AutoCAD. You only need to import the type of your fastener and change your fastener according to your drawing. So now I am going to import files from AutoCAD. Go to Tool in menu bar, and go to Palettes, and there is a tool called Design Center. You can turn it on by pressing Ctrl and number 2. OK, then go to AutoCAD 2017 and go to Sample. In the sample there is a file ENUS. It means English United States Country Code of ISO. Now go to Design Center. After that go to Fasteners. You can see there are 2 types of fastener, US and metric, so select type according to your drawing. In this drawing they are using metric, so choose fastener metric. Now choose blocks. You can see there are so many types of fastener, so choose your fastener according to your drawing. Found it in here, so select this and drag and drop to your drawing. OK, you can see your nut is too small, so you have to scale up your nut size according to your drawing. Select all nut and change your nut size according to your drawing, so the scale is 1:10. OK, go to Scale tool that are in Modify. They asking base point, so I have to select a base point. Go to your nut. My snaps are not working. I am going to turn on temporary snaps using Ctrl and right click on it. Select Center Snap. Now software asking scale factor. Scale factor is 10 according to drawing, so I am giving 10. Now here it's come my nut. OK, then thank you for watching this. If you get an idea about what you are looking for, please hit a like. If you had any question, please ask. Thank you.